This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Come see what awaits for you. This adorable home located in the Lafayette neighborhood is just minutes from Norfolk bases, beaches, and all your shopping needs. Home includes a first-floor ensuite bedroom, a first-floor laundry room, and an amazing kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Offering orignal features with a modern touch gives this home the character of charm. Enjoy the covered front porch or relax in the backyard oasis. Don't let this one slip away. Schedule your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-835-3966.